Egunon. That's buenos dias in Basque. And that's good morning in Spanish. That's the Guggenheim. That's Mama. And I'm Sarah Al Raeesi, a Sorbonne postgrad law student doing my internship in the Basque region of Spain. Because Sorbonne offers an internship program anywhere in the world, my interest in EU law brought me to Europe, where I could watch them unfold in real time. I'm exploring how EU sustainability laws land in companies by using Tubacex as a case study. By working closely with the ESG team, I'm finding out how compliance travels from Brussels to the boardroom. One moment, I'm mapping out legal frameworks, tracing the full landscape. The next, I'm translating policies into real value, figuring out how ESG can be both compliant and compelling. Other days, I'm reshaping how ESG is communicated to clients who expect much more than buzzwords. And the stakes are even higher with a listed company. Because in the end, compliance isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about building trust. I'm super grateful for an academic experience that values practice just as much as theory. Sorbonne gives you a chance to walk away with a different perspective, connecting your studies to real decisions. And when I'm not decoding legal frameworks, I'm figuring out what to order for lunch. One pincho at a time. I'm not just finishing my degree, I'm testing it against real-world complexities. You too can end your degree on a sweet note, just like I end my day with a Basque cheesecake.